Look at the end. Look at JDB.
So guys, today's going to be a very, very busy day for me. I just want to sort out Ifechukwu's clothes, the ones that she's no longer wearing and the ones she's still wearing. So we're going to sort it out. The one she's no longer wearing, I'm going to like take it out and give it out. So as you can see, grandma has already started. So I think that one they are small, or they are small. So this is it. Already started.
Look. Small. Small baby.
That one is no longer entering her.
Oh, this one.
Oh, they are small now. So yes, sorry. So the jean, I won't run the jean. I'll just fold it and keep name the jean trouser.
That's man.
Hmm?
That's
Look.
man.
They are small.
Good. Stay Jim.
But you don't like this clothes.
I know like.
No.
The first the young one.
You should never ever wear. You like this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I guess I like.
Yeah.
This one.
All they are shorts. They are shorts. But the man. I think. No, but if I do like this one, you've never worn this.
Oh yeah.
This?
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not like you wear no. He wear that the hand.
That's Mom Dazu.
And look at this. Okay, Jim.
That's Mom Dazu. Mom Dazu.
Hmm?
Mom Dazu.
The hand. So mommy, I'm telling me now, but now some of these clothes. I want to identify each by hanger size, hanger color. I mean, so what I want to do now, all this one self, I remove all of them. Maybe I'll do gown,
Mommy,
red hanger. If you could give Mama red hangers,
Give me a red
we're
hand.
using red hangers for the gown. Yes, that's the easy way to identify your clothes.
Check if you look at the color you paper. On the year.
That one there, I think. All the amma,
Okay, Jim. Okay, Jim.
all the amma. This one they are small. Not even the red this.
Yes.
Yeah. And I will still buy some.
Give me red one. Red one. Red
I'm
one.
giving my red hangers. Yeah.
Red one. Yeah. Give me a red one.
That is the red one.
We use the red hangers
Yeah.
for Ife's
Yeah.
So, then I'll be using white for your
Jacket.
jacket then.
Okay.
Yes.
They bring red one. Okay, look at the cherry.
Remember this clothes you can buy for Ifechukwu?
What the hell you wear, Baba? Baba,
I did.
Yeah.
I love the thing.
Use it for your baby.
My baby gonna wear this one.
Mm.
Your baby gonna wear that one.
So it's not very small for you. Yeah. It's yours, but it's small now. So we have to give it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what, baby? There we go.
That's the red that.
So since we're replacing your hangers, since we're replacing your hangers,
Right.
since we're replacing your hanger, I'm going to take my own back.
Carry the one. Carry the one.
Where put the hanger? No, we put here. Let me turn now.
I'm with